everybody, my name is Seth Kweku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Let's go into Photoshop. Alright, so just go and pull your image. We're going to use this, drag it in there. Alright, so this effect is going to be quite simple. Control 0 to zoom in. It's going to be quite simple. Now this is the road. We just want to bring this wavy C effect in there. So we just drop it on it like that. Alright, can just bring it down a little bit. Okay. Alright, so now this is quite good. And then let's set it to overlay. You could experiment to see which one works best for you. Perhaps you want to go for hard light, but then I'll go for overlay. Let's give it a mask, and then let's click on our brush, set it to soft round. Also make sure the hardness is 0, and then this size is too small. Let's increase the size a little bit. Also make sure this side is set to black. You can click on X to toggle between the colors, and then you clean it. Just clean the sides. Okay, so now you can click here too and click on X. You want to make sure here is white. Okay, increase the size of the brush and then paint along the edges. Now that this is done, it looks real, right? But I want to give it a more realistic effect as well. So duplicate your background and then drag it up just to re-emphasize the effect. Click on the blending modes. Let's go to color. Hold Alt. Click over here and drag it up to apply the same masking to it. Okay, so now this is it. It looks real. See, it looks real. Blends it nicely with the background. It takes the color out of it and then blends it nicely with the background. So it looks real now. You could also give it a little bit of, let's choose color mix. And then let's set it maybe here to blue. And then let's drag the red up a little bit. Let's drag the green down a little bit. Okay. And you could also give it a soft light. And let's reduce it to 50%. As ladies and gentlemen, this is how you create it. It looks real. It looks like there's water on the road, but there's nothing there. Let's put everything in a folder. Let's call it wavy C effect. Alright, now this is what we have initially, and this is what we have created. So guys, if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. There are more videos I'm going to be uploading from time to time, and I don't want you to miss it. Also, I have some affiliate links down there. You could check them out. If you love any of those product or the services that are there, just use them. I love you all, guys. Peace out.